Hello and welcome to the campus of Technocrats TIT Group of Institutions, one of the largest educational groups in central India, best known for its academic excellence and record placements. The quality of education imparted at this elite institute has fetched the Technocrats TIT Group various accolades like Best Engineering Institute by Honorable Chief Minister Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the highest placement in MP Award by Shri Ram Naresh Yadav, Governor of Madhya Pradesh. The group is located in the Lake City, Bhopal, which is also known as the education hub of Madhya Pradesh. Right from its initial establishment in the year 1999, the Technocrats TIT Group of Institutions has been enlightening young heart and minds to develop them into bright professionals. In the last 15 years, the Technocrats TIT Group has grown under the professional guidance of educationists from IITs and IIMs, with the result that currently it has under its belt more than 1100 qualified faculties with 140 PhDs who cumulatively educate more than 15,000 students. The Technocrat TIT Group is spread over 32 acres of land, encompassing 7 technical institutes including 4 engineering, 2 pharmacy and 1 management institute. In keeping with its varied courses, the group has more than 400 ultra-modern state-of-the-art high-tech laboratories, smart classrooms, tutorial rooms and conference and seminar halls. The Technocrats TIT Group of Institutions Engineering College offers courses in Bachelor of Engineering, Masters of Engineering, MBA, MCA. The Polytechnic College offers Diploma in Polytechnic Engineering. The engineering courses are affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi Technical University, the State Technological University of Madhya Pradesh, and have been recognized as PhD research centers in 5 fields, namely Computer Science Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Information Technology, Power Electronics and Computer Applications. All the engineering courses are approved by AICTE New Delhi and DTE Madhya Pradesh. The Technocrats TIT Group of Institutions Pharmacy College, that is TIT Pharmacy, has won acclaim for excellence in education, research, placements and industry institute partnership. Approved by the AICTE, Pharmacy Council of India, that is PCI, New Delhi and Government of MP and affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi Technical University, Bhopal, TIT Pharmacy College offers courses in Bachelor of Pharmacy and Masters of Pharmacy. The MBA course at TIT Group of Institutions is affiliated to Barkatullah University, Government University, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh and offers course in Masters in Business Management. TIT Group of Institutions boasts of 400 plus labs to enhance the knowledge of students. The modern infrastructure offered to encourage students to learn remains unsurpassed. Automobile and design industry is difficult to imagine without mechanical engineering. The Mechanical Engineering Lab at Technocrats TIT Group of Institutions offers 85 plus modern mechanical labs equipped with the latest technology. In addition, students are made to work on projects which are showcased on various national and international platforms.
We have participated in LPU Jalandhar Republic Motors International Go-Kart Championship and we have achieved endurance first and overall 4th rank. And this event is organized by Republic Motors in Jalandhar LPU.
The CSE and IT department has 87 modern laboratories equipped with Core, i5, i3 HP and Lenovo systems. They also have a 300 Mbps lease line. All the labs here are facilitated with Computer Graphics and Multimedia Lab, Language Lab, Operating Systems Lab, Computer Network Lab, Soft Computing Lab, Project Lab, Cloud Computing Lab, and research lab. Infrastructural development is one of the fastest developing sectors in the world today. The Civil Department has 45 labs with advanced technology to help students meet the requirements of the industry. This sector offers jobs in the power sector and is a promising career option. The Electronics and Electrical Department has 35 modern labs that provide students with the latest infrastructure that they need to know to succeed in this sector. More than 80% of the world's population today is adept in technology and use it extensively. The need for technology will only grow in the near future. The ECE department has 46 modern labs to provide students the best technology for a successful career.
Presently, I am working in Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) as a scientist engineer, and I am really feeling proud that I am student of TIT College, which has provided me with such a good infrastructure and facilities.
All courses under 2 Institutes of Pharmaceutical Sciences are AICTE and PCI approved at the TIT Technocrat Group of Institutions. With 43 high-tech labs, the college ensures the best of academic as well as practical learning for the students. The Technocrats TIT Group of Institutions encourages an environment of openness and healthy interactions between students and faculty. The Technocrats TIT Group of Institutions has 7 state-of-the-art libraries with more than 1.5 lakh volumes and more than 25,000 titles. There are AICTE prescribed online e-journals, including 600 plus national and more than 250 international journals. Students and staff can attend online lectures through webinar facility. All libraries are a member of Delnet. The TIT group believes in building the personalities of students and offers a range of sports and physical activities like TT, cricket, volleyball, badminton, etc. And also organizes various tournaments and championships at university, state and national level. If you thought that sports is the only co-curricular activity that the Technocrats TIT Group of Institutions endorses, then you are in for a pleasant surprise. A major focus is given on the development of the interpersonal skills of the students, and for that, the group organizes an annual day celebration where the students get a chance and a platform to showcase their various talents. The Technocrats TIT Group of Institutions has well-furnished hostels with modern facilities like power backup, Wi-Fi, hot and cold water facility. In addition, there is a furnished cafeteria with a dining facility to accommodate about 600 students. There are about 115 comfortable college buses for the students in and around Bhopal. The Technocrats TIT Group of Institutions produces a galaxy of university merit holders every year for all its courses. In addition, the group has maintained the highest number of Chancellor Awards. Quite a feat, isn't it? The institute also boasts of the highest number of GATE qualifiers, scoring above 99 percentile year on year.
I have been placed in 2 of the best companies, Capgemini and Mphasis. This journey has been marvelous, and it is a beautiful blend of my mentors' cooperation and support in this TIT group.
I recently got selected in CIPLA For this, I am thankful to our faculty and staff member for giving us proper study material training, for having a mock test, GD and PI round.
I'm pleased with TCS, and this is just because of the great faculty members, the great TNP cell which I had in my college.
Research is another important tool for knowledge, and acknowledging this, the Technocrats TIT group of institutions organizes seminars, conferences and workshops of national and international level regularly. The Technocrats TIT group of institutions is also the center for national level online tests like CAT, GATE, etc.
If you have the same passion, enthusiasm and the drive to succeed in life, then the Technocrats TIT group of institutions is the place where you should be.